Chapter 13, Surface Areas and Volumes. Exercise 13.1. Question number first. Two cubes, each of volume 64 centimeter cube, are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Given volume of one cube is equal to 64 centimeter cube. Let side of cube be x. Volume, that is x raised to power 3, is equal to 64, and 64 prime factorization is 64. 4 16s are 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4. X cube is equal to 4 into 4 into 4. X raised to power 3 is equal to 4 raised to power 3. X, this implies x is equal to 4 centimeter. If volume of one cube is equal to 64 centimeter cube, then x cube is equal to 64. 16 4s are 64, 4 4s are 16, and 4 1s are 4. That is 4 raised to power 3. X raised to power 3 is equal to 4 raised to power 3. Then we get the value of x is equal to 4 centimeter. It's side of one cube. And two cubes, each of volume 64. Two cubes, if this is 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter, then 8 centimeter. Total length is equal to 8 centimeter, and breadth and height is same, that is 4 centimeter. Height is 4 centimeter. Length of cuboid is equal to 8 centimeter, and breadth of cuboid is equal to 4 centimeter, and height of cuboid is equal to 4 centimeter. Surface area of resulting cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Length is 8 and breadth is 4, plus breadth 4, height 4, plus height 4, and length 8 is equal to 2 times of 8 4s are 32, plus 4 4s are 16, plus 8 4s are 32. This implies 2 times of 32 plus 32 is 64. 64 plus 16, that is equal to 80, and 2 multiply by 80, that is 160 centimeter square surface area. Surface area is equal to 160 centimeter square. Given volume of one cube is equal to 64 centimeter cube, and we have two cubes. Let side of cube be x, and volume of cube, that is side cube, side into side equal to 64, and factorization of 64 is 4. 16 4s are 64, 4 4s are 16, and 4 1s are 4. That is equal to 4 into 4 into 4, and 4 raised to power 3. X cube 4 raised to power 3 means side of cube is equal to 4 centimeter, and 2 cubes each means first cube, second cube. Total length is equal to 8 centimeter. 4 plus 4 8, and breadth and height, that in cube, that is equal 4 4. Length of cuboid is equal to 8 centimeter. Its cuboid length is 8 centimeter, breadth and height is same, that is 4 centimeter, and height of cuboid is equal to 4 centimeter. Surface area of resulting cuboid, that is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Applying the formula, and 2 into length is 8, breadth is 4, 8 4s are 32, plus breadth is 4, height is 4, 4 4s are 16, plus height is 4 and length is 8, 8 4s are 32, and their sum is 80. 80 multiplied by 2, we get surface area of resulting cuboid, that is 160 centimeter square. Answer. Question number 2. A vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter, and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. A vessel is in the form of hollow hemisphere. Diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter. This is 14 centimeter, and its radius is 7 centimeter, and total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Given diameter of hemisphere, is equal to 14 centimeter. Radius is equal to half of diameter, that is 7 centimeter. Height of cylinder is equal to, total height is 13, but height of cylinder that is equal to 13 minus 7. Height of cylinder is equal to 6 centimeter. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. Inner surface area of vessel is equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere, that is equal to curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h plus curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square, is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius is equal to 7, and height of cylinder we get 6 plus 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 7 into 7. 7 7 this is cancel, 7 7 is cancel, we get 2 into 22 that is 44 multiplied by 6 plus 44 multiplied by 7, that is equal to 44 is common but 6 plus 7 in bracket, and we get 44 into 13. 6 plus 7 is 13 and 44 multiplied by 13. 13 4s are 52, 5 carry, 13 4s are 52 plus 5 57, and we get 572 centimeter square. Answer. A vessel is in the form of hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is diameter of hemisphere is 14 and its radius is half of diameter, that is 14 divided by 2 is 7 centimeter, and total height we have 13 centimeter, and height of cylinder that is equal to 13 minus 7, we get 13 minus 7 is 6 centimeter, and its height of cylinder, and inner surface area of vessel that is equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere, and we know that curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h, and curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. 2 into pi is 22 upon 7 plus radius is same 7, and height of cylinder is 6. 13 minus 7 that is 6 plus 2 into pi is 22 upon 7 and radius is 7 into 7. 7 7 is cancelled, we get 2 into 22 that is 44. 44 multiplied by 6 plus 2 into 22 is 44 multiplied by 7. We are taking common 44, and in bracket 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is 13, and we are multiplying 44 and 13, we get 572 centimeter square. Answer. Question number 3. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere on the same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the toy. 15.5 centimeter total. Radius 3.5 centimeter. Given radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. That is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 3.5, that is 35 upon 10, 35 upon 10. This is cancelled by 5. 5 2s are 10, 2 is cancelled, and we get 11 2s are 22, 5 2s are 10, and 5 1s are 5, 7 5s are 35. We get 77 centimeter square. It's curved surface area of hemisphere. CSA of hemisphere is equal to 77 centimeter square. And total height is 15.5, and height of cone that is equal to total minus 3.5 is radius. We get 15.5 minus 3.5. Height of cone is equal to 12 centimeter. 15.5 minus 3.5, we get 5 minus 5 0, that is 12. 12.0, that is we want to find the slant height of this. L square is equal to r square plus h square. Height is, that is 12, and radius is 3.5. H is equal to 12 centimeter, and r is equal to 3.5 centimeter. We want to find the slant height, that is L square is equal to r is 3.5 raised to power 2 plus height is 12 raised to power 2. L square is equal to 3.5 into 3.5, that is 35. 35, 5 5s are 25, and 3 4s are 12. 12.25 plus 12 12s are 144. This implies L square is equal to 144. 12.25 25651, that is 156.25. L is equal to under root of 156.25. So we get L is equal to 156.25. Pair 1 1s are 1, and that is 56. Pair 2 double 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, that is 44 point, and 2125. Double of 12 is 20. 12 24 multiply by 5, that is 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 22, 5 2s are 10, 12. Complete divisible by 5, 12.5. L is equal to 12.5 centimeter. Curved surface area of cone is equal to pi RL, that is equal to 22/7 into radius is 3.5, 35/10, and slant height we get 12.5. That is equal to 22/7 into 35/10 into 125/10. 7 5s are 35, 5 2s are 10, 2 11s are 22, and we get 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 25 11s are. Curved surface area of cone is equal to 25 ones are 25, 2 carry 25 ones are 25 plus 2, 27 divided by 2. 275 divides 2, 2 ones are 2, 7 2 3s are 6, 1 5 2 7s are 14, 1.025s are 10. Complete divisible by. Curved surface area of cone is equal to 137.5 centimeter square, and total surface area of the toy is equal to curved surface area of hemisphere, CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cone, that is equal to 77 plus 137.5 centimeter square. TSA of the toy is equal to 137.5 plus 77, 5 4 1 2 is equal to 214.5 centimeter square. Answer: given radius is 3.5 centimeter and total height, that is equal to 15.5. Curved surface area of hemisphere equal to 2 pi r square. Curved surface area of hemisphere, 7 5s are 35, 5 2s are 10, 2 is cancel, 11 2s are 22 and 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35. We get 11 7s are 77 centimeter square, and the height of cone is total height minus radius, that is equal to 12 centimeter. Its height of cone, and as we know that L square is equal to R square plus H square. So L square equal to 3.5 square plus 12 square. 3.5 square is equal to 12.25, and 12 square is equal to 144, and their sum is equal to 156.25, and under root of 156.25, that is 12.5 centimeter. Its slant height and curved surface area of cone is equal to pi r L. 22/7 into 3.5 can be write 35/10 into 12.5. We get curved surface area of cone is 275 upon 2. Then curved surface area of cone is 137.5. Total surface area of toy is equal to curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cone. 77 plus 137.5 centimeter square. We get total surface area of toy is equal to 214.5 centimeter square. Answer. Question number 4. A cubical block of side 7 centimeter is surmounted by a hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter of the hemisphere can have? Find the surface area of the solid. A cubical block of side given side of cube is equal to 7 centimeter. Greatest diameter of the hemisphere is equal to 7 centimeter. Radius of hemisphere, that is equal to 7 upon 2 centimeter. Curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square, that is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius 7 upon 2, 7 upon 2, 2 is cancelled, 7 is cancelled, 2 11s are 22, 11 7s are 77 centimeter square. Curved surface area of hemisphere that is equal to 77 centimeter square. And area of circular portion, area of circular portion that is equal to pi r square. 22 upon 7 into radius is 7 upon 2, 7 upon 2, 7 is cancelled, 11s are 77 upon 2, that is equal to 30, 3 2s are 6, 8 2s are 38.5, 38.5 centimeter square. Area of circular portion is pi, that is area of circle, pi r square. We get 38.5 centimeter square. Total surface area of cube is equal to 6 into side square. Side is 7 square, that is 49. 6 multiplied by 14, TSA of cube. Total surface area of cube is 49 multiplied by 6. 9 6 are 54. 5 carry 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 5 29. That is equal to 294 centimeter square. Find the surface area of the solid. Surface area of the solid is equal to total surface area of cube plus curved surface area of hemisphere minus area of circular portion, that is equal to 294 plus 77 minus 38.5. 77 7 4 11 17 3. Their sum is 371 and minus 38.5 5 2, that is 633. We get 332.5 centimeter square. Answer. Given side of cube is equal to 7 centimeter and greatest diameter of hemisphere is 7 centimeter. Its radius is equal to 7 upon 2 centimeter. Curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2. 7 7 is cancelled, 2 2 is cancelled, 2 11 2s are 22 and 11 7s are 77 centimeter square. Its curved surface area of hemisphere. And area of circular portion, that is area of circle covered by hemisphere, we get pi r square 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2. We get 77 divided by 2 is 38.5. Area of circular portion covered by hemisphere is equal to covered by hemisphere pi r square 22 upon 7 into r square, r is 72 upon 2 into 72 upon 2, that is 38.5 centimeter square. And total surface area of cube is equal to 6 into side square. Side is 7, 7 7s are 49, 49 into 6, that is equal to 294 centimeter square. And surface area of the solid is equal to TSA of cube plus curved surface area of hemisphere minus area of circular portion covered by the hemisphere, that is equal to 294 plus 77 minus 38.5. We get 294 plus 77 is equal to 371 minus 38.5. We get 332.5 centimeter square. Answer. Hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of a cubical wooden block such that the diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. Given side of cube is equal to L unit. Surface area of cube. Total surface area of cube is equal to 6 into side square, that is equal to 6L square. Surface area of cube. Diameter of hemisphere is equal to L unit. Radius of hemisphere is equal to L upon 2 unit. Inner surface area of hemisphere is equal to units 2 pi r square. R is L upon 2 square, that is equal to 2 into pi into L square upon 4, that is equal to pi L square upon 2. Unit square. Area of circular portion covered by hemisphere, that is equal to pi r square, pi into L square upon 4. Unit square. Unit square. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. Surface area of the remaining solid is equal to surface area of cube plus surface area of hemisphere minus area of circular portion covered by hemisphere. That is equal to 6L square plus pi L square upon 2 minus pi L square upon 4. This implies LCM is 4 and 624L square plus 2 pi L square minus pi L square divided by 4 is equal to 1 by 4 24L square plus pi L square. This implies 1 by 4 L square. L square is taking common. 24 plus pi unit answer. Given side of cube is L unit. Surface area of cube 6 into side square, that is L, and surface area equal to 6L square. Diameter of hemisphere is L unit and its radius is L upon 2 unit. Inner surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. R is L upon 2 square, that is 2 into pi into L square upon 4. 2 2 are 4 pi L square upon 2 unit square. And area of circular portion covered by hemisphere is pi r square, that is area of circle, pi into L square upon 4 unit square. Surface area of remaining solid, that is equal to surface area of cube, that is 6L square, plus surface area of hemisphere pi L square upon 2, minus area of circular portion covered by hemisphere, that is pi L square upon 4 unit square. And LCM is 4. 24L square plus 2 pi L square minus pi L square, 2 pi L square minus pi L square, that is 1 pi L square. L square is taking common, L square upon 4, 24 in bracket plus pi unit answer. Unit square answer. Unit answer. Thank you so much.